Next, we're going to take our fabric A2, and I thought I was recording, so I already did some of this, but I'll catch you up. Fabric A2 are the light fabrics, the 12 strips, and we take the strips and press out the creases if you like, and we're going to stack these with the right sides up. So you have 12 strips placed right sides up. The next thing we do is take our template, Unit A, background template layout sheet number 1, and we place it on the stack. We're going to take 2 copies. So I placed one on the stack and I cut it. And now I'm placing the paper clips. And let's put this off and I'll show you what I did. So here's the second one. I cut the first one off of this edge over here. And here's the second one. Fix these pieces. And again, this is Unit A, background template layout sheet number 1. And we need 2 pieces, so we need to flip this one so these angles come out right on this side. And now we can place our paper clips on this one. And cut this one out. When I'm cutting strips, I like to use this smaller ruler. It's just easier to handle. So if you have a smaller one, you can use it. Now what we're going to do is cut out on the cut lines. There are 3 cut lines on each. We're going to put these together, this first stack, and we're going to place them in order. Section 5 at the bottom, Section 3, and Section 1. Section 1 does not have a sew side, but we match the sew sides of Section 5, Section 3, and then we put Section 1 on top. And we're going to label this one Group 1. It doesn't matter which it is, because they're both going to be the same, but this is Group 1. And we're going to do the same thing with the first one we cut off. We're going to cut the pieces apart. And stack them with Section 5 at the bottom, Section 3, and Section 1 at the top. And this one we're going to label Group 2. So these were your A2 stacks. I'm going to put these together and they go back into bag A1. And next we'll cut fabric A3. Next we're going to cut fabric A3. These are the 24 strips of the medium to dark fabrics. Again, we've opened these up and stacked them with the right sides up, pressed out the crease if you wish, and we've divided them into 2 stacks of 12. So let's work on the first stack. We're going to use Unit A, background template layout sheet number 2, and place it on our strip, on our stack. Put some paper clips on. And then we're going to place Unit A, background template layout sheet number 3 on this side. Stack these right, get them all lined up better. Going to place that on this end and put some paper clips. And there's a total of 4 templates, and then we'll cut these out. And there's a cut line 1. Now we have, this is section 11 and this is section 7. We'll just stack those together for now. And cut this second one out. And these are section 9 and section 13. Let's stack these. 13, 11, 9, and 7. And this we're going to call group 1. It doesn't matter which is 1 and which is 2. Place that on the stack. And we're going to do the second stack the exact same way. This is the second stack of 12 for fabric A3, and we're going to cut these out the same way. We have Unit A background template layout sheet number 2 on this side, and we've clipped. And we have Unit A background template layout sheet number 3 on this side, and we're clipped. Now we're going to cut them apart. Cut this, trim this side. Sorry about that. Now let's put these in order. Section 11 at the bottom, 9, oh, here's 13, that goes at the bottom. So it's 13, 11, 9, and 7. And this is group 2. We'll put that on there. Now we're going to take our group 1 and 2 from fabric A2 and put them together in group 1 and 2 fabric A3. So there's group 1 and there's group 2. And we'll put these back in bag A1, and we're done with bag A1.